Ubuntu Budgie versus Elementary OS. Which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distro can completely change how you experience your desktop without sacrificing usability or design. Ubuntu Budgie offers customization, while Elementary OS focuses on simplicity and elegance. Ubuntu Budgie and Elementary OS are both user-friendly Linux distributions based on Ubuntu. The core difference lies in their desktop environments. Ubuntu Budgie offers a highly customizable Budgie desktop, while Elementary OS emphasizes a clean, minimal interface inspired by macOS. Ubuntu Budgie is an official Ubuntu flavor featuring the Budgie desktop environment, known for its modern and sleek design combined with powerful customization options. It works by integrating Ubuntu's stable base with Budgie's intuitive panel and applets, allowing users to tailor their desktop experience extensively. Strengths include its flexibility, lightweight performance, and a rich set of built-in features like notifications, calendar integration, and workspace management. It supports a wide range of hardware and software thanks to the Ubuntu base. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for users new to Linux or those unfamiliar with desktop customization. Ubuntu Budgie is ideal for users who want a balance between aesthetic appeal and control over their desktop environment, especially those who enjoy tweaking and personalizing their system without compromising stability. Elementary OS is a Linux distribution designed to offer a polished and simple user experience with a strong focus on design and usability. It uses the Pantheon desktop environment, which is clean, minimal, and inspired by macOS, prioritizing ease of use and consistency. Elementary OS works by building on Ubuntu's reliable foundation while providing a curated set of apps and a refined user interface. Its strengths include a beautiful distraction-free desktop, straightforward navigation, and a focus on privacy and security. However, its limitations include fewer customization options compared to Ubuntu Budgie and a smaller selection of pre-installed apps, which might require additional setup. Elementary OS is perfect for users who want a visually appealing, out-of-the-box experience with minimal configuration and a system that just works, especially those transitioning from macOS or Windows. Comparing Ubuntu Budgie and Elementary OS comes down to customization versus simplicity. Ubuntu Budgie excels when you want control over your desktop layout, applets, and workflows, making it suitable for power users or those who enjoy personalizing their environment. In contrast, Elementary OS offers a streamlined, elegant desktop that requires minimal setup, ideal for users who prefer a clean, consistent interface without distractions. Ubuntu Budgie may appeal more to users who like to experiment with different themes and extensions, while Elementary OS targets those who prioritize design and ease of use. Both benefit from Ubuntu's solid base, ensuring compatibility and stability. The trade-off is between flexibility and simplicity, so your choice depends on whether you want a customizable workspace or a refined, ready-to-use system. Choose Ubuntu Budgie if you want a customizable, feature-rich Linux experience that adapts to your workflow and offers extensive control over your desktop environment. Elementary OS is recommended for users seeking a beautiful, minimalistic Linux desktop that works smoothly out of the box with a strong focus on design and usability. Both distros deliver solid performance, so pick the one that best matches your style and needs.